I scratch my head. I scratch my head. I lift the box. I lift the box. I put the box down. I put the box down. I pull the door. I pull the door. I crouch down. I crouch down. I kneel down. I kneel down. I lie down. I lie down. I get up slowly. I get up slowly. I drop the bag. I drop the bag. I pick it up. I pick it up. I shake hands. I shake hands. I stretch my back. I stretch my back. I step forward. I step forward. I step back. I step back. I lean back. I lean back. I kick the ball. I kick the ball. I rub my neck. I rub my neck. I wipe my face. I wipe my face. I open my hands. I open my hands. I carry the bag. I carry the bag. I close my hands. I close my hands. I move carefully. I move carefully. I reach up. I reach up. I reach down. I reach down. I pull the door. I pull the door. Learn English with fun. Learn English with fun.